This bike has a broken spoke and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So the spoke starts over here and we can kind of see that it goes over there, that one where it's broken off. But if you just want to make sure that you're doing the pattern correctly, you can see that this one goes to the right hand side here, the next one goes to the left hand side. So you just need to skip one, so go one down, and you see that this spoke kind of goes to a different area here. So then go ahead and skip one ahead again, and you can check the pattern from this one. So it goes under a spoke here and then it hits that one. So this is the correct place, and just it goes under one spoke here and in that hole. So let's now go ahead and twist it out by turning it. So now with the spoke already loose, it's quite easy to just twist it. It's coming out quite easily. The correct way of measuring a spoke is from here on the bend to the end of the spokes, including this, so until the end of my fingertip here. And well, this one is 255 millimeters. So you need to just check how many broken spokes you have and buy that amount of spokes. In the bike store I went to, they were like €1.25 per piece. So this is what the spoke end is supposed to look like. Unfortunately these are black, I couldn't get that color, but it will work. So the nipple of the spoke is here, which we want to replace, and we can check that this one is going there like that. So this is the correct way the spoke comes in. So we need to push it the same way as our reference spoke is. So we need to push it through here like this, and then bend it, and it goes under one spoke. So it's this one which it should go under, and then bring it over here like this. So then we just feed it into the nipple. We need to just twist it slightly and then start rotating to get it in. So just turn it as far as you can go with your hand power, and it will be quite loose still. So then you need one of these spoke tools to turn it the rest of the way, and you shouldn't go too tight here at the beginning. Just get it kind of firm, and now we have replaced the spoke, and I'll go ahead and replace the rest of the spokes. And then what you need to do is something called truing the wheel, and I'll leave a link down below in the description for doing that. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.